Hey beauties, thank you so much for joining me today. I recently got an order from SpaceNK, which is like the UK's version of Sephora, and I ordered a bunch of Vieve products that I wanted to try and test out with you guys today and see if we like it. Here's the package. I thought we'll unbox this, try it out. I'll throw on a quick face, and then I actually have more boxes to open that have been piling up. Okay, so we have the Skin Nova Complexion Balm. We have, Modern Radiance Concealer in the shade Light 4. We have the Skin Nova Instant Radiance Primer. And, Skin Dew Glow Multitasker. Okay, wait, so the Complexion Balm I got in the shade 210. I'm gonna start with, let's see, do we want to use, let's do the Instant Radiance Primer. This is what she looks like. And then the Complexion Balm. And the concealer. I might skip the Skin Dew and try that some other time. Okay, primer. This is what it looks like. It's got a little bit of pigment to it. Feels nice. Kind of like cooling sensation. It's not greasy. Doesn't feel greasy anyway. Mild fragrance. I'm not sure like what the scent is. Okay, now let's try the foundation together and see what we think. Just gonna put some on the back of my hand. And I'm gonna take my BK Beauty 101. And I usually start in the center of my face and work outwards. This has a scent too, but it's not overpowering or anything. What do you guys think? Color match is pretty good, right? It's not heavy at all. feels pretty nice on the skin. Been hearing like great feedback about this, so of course I wanted to try. I like it. So far, so good. Just adding a tiny bit more. Now that it's had some time to sink in, it actually feels like I don't have anything on my face. But my face feels hydrated, very comfortable. I'm quite happy with this. Pretty good shade too, considering just ordered it online, blindly, you know. All right, let's throw on a quick look and continue. I have more boxes to open. Okay, now is when I'm going to try out the concealer. So we'll see what I think. Maybe this will work. It either seems a little bit dark for me, or what I'm used to, or a little bit like peach orange, which I don't normally use peach orange under my eyes. Because I don't really have dark circles, so I don't need to color correct. But let's see how this blends out. Using Nikki LaRose's N16 brush. It's okay, I think. Pretty creamy. Okay, the color's not bad actually. I think it's like when I blend it out, like what I see as the peachy, like orangey kind of tone, it dissipates. So I think it works. Okay, so I realized that I didn't even tell you what is in these products. So the Modern Radiance Concealer from Vieve has hyaluronic acid, and it says that the hydrating concealer brightens and color corrects for a naturally perfected radiant finish. It actually turned out pretty good, don't you think? And then the Skin Nova Complexion Balm, packed with hydrating and smoothing skincare. Yep, it felt like skincare going on. I quite like it. I'm happy with it. I like the primer too. Maybe next time I'll try this Skin Dew. Okay, yeah, so Skin Nova Skin Perfecting Radiance Primer and Hydrator. Skin loving ingredients with ultra-fine pigments to give a golden hour glow to the skin. Quite happy with it. What do you guys think? Okay, so let's just keep going. I know it's December, but I haven't even opened my November subscription boxes. So November came with the Icon box from Ipsy, but actually we're going to start with the Glam bag. Every month I'm like, I'm going to cancel this subscription because I have a lot of makeup and a lot of skincare products. But I don't know. I end up not. Okay, so what do we have? It's kind of like faux snakeskin little pouch. And what do we have? First is $1 Billion Beauty lip oil, blushing effect. It says it goes from clear to pink. That's what it looks like. We have a little travel size of Bounce Boosting Serum with collagen and peptides from First Aid Beauty, safe for sensitive skin. I do like this brand. Yeah, we'll try that out. And what else do we have? What is this? Oh, Marc Anthony Repair Bond leave-in conditioner. It says it repairs and protects, reinforces that from the inside out, hydrates and defrizzes, which I need because my hair gets frizzy really easily. And then we have the Femu, I don't know how to say that. Femu Brilliant Cleansing Gel. I like these little ones for when I travel. Oh, LYS Triple Fix Concealer in MN3. This might actually even be my shade. Okay, so that was the Glam bag. Now it's the Icon box. Oh, I guess this one was curated by Lisa Vanderpump. I never actually really read these things. It's a shame. I think it's a waste of paper. Okay, let's see what we have. Tartelette Juicy eyeshadow palette. Let's see here. I don't think I've actually ever tried Tarte eyeshadow. Actually a nice little neutral kind of like rose leaning palette. I'll try this out. What else do we have? Oh, the KVD Good Apple Serum Foundation. I actually have this already in my actual shade, and I like it a lot. This I think is too light for me. I forget what my actual shade is, but I think this one's too light. This came in light 018. But I'll take it out of the package and show you. So yeah, that's definitely too light for me. Oh, I actually excited to try this. It's the Glow Recipe Cloudberry Bright Essence Toner for brightening and an even tone. This I'm happy about. We can open that up later though. And what is this? Angel Face Setting Powder. What does it say? A super soft sheer setting powder for angel face skin. This setting powder is packed with skincare activities that help eliminate unwanted shine and imperfections for a soft focus finish. It's packed with cocoa seed butter and evening primrose oil to help promote smoothness and moisture of the skin. Try this out sometime too. Polite Society. What is this? A glossy lip balm in pink grapefruit. I think I have something stuck to my... Yeah, looks cute. Bobbi Brown Smoky Eye Mascara. I love mascara, but I'm pretty picky with mascara because I need it to not flake and smudge, because I usually end up with it all over here. But so far, the ones that I've been using in my regular daily routine have been working out. No smudge, no flakes, and black stuff all the way down my face. But yeah, I'll still try this. And what is this? Ginseng. I guess this is an SPF from Origins. Oh, it's a daily moisturizer that happens to have SPF 30 in it. My face is pretty sensitive to SPFs. I can usually only use the Korean ones. Okay, what is this? Kosas Weightless Lip Color in the shade High Cut, which is a warm rosy pink. Oh, it's pretty cute. Try that also. Okay, that was the end of the icon box. Let's see, moving on. Oh, this is my refer shipment. Refer is one of my favorite brush brands, and I pretty much have all of their eyeshadow brushes. I don't have any of their face brushes yet. And it's so cute. It says, "Thank you so much for your order. We're so excited that you're finally able to that we're finally able to ship Canadian orders from our office in Toronto instead of NYC. This means all of your future orders will arrive just a bit faster and will be free of any cross-border customs hassle. If there's anything we can do on our end to make your experience with us even better, please do not hesitate to reach out to me directly at tom@refer.com. Thanks again for your support. That's cute. And what did I get? Oh, right. I got the new Shoto series. I love. They're like calligraphy brushes. Hang on, let's take them out of the plastic really quickly. So I already got the original 3 that came in the set, and then shortly after they, so actually these are, was it 3 or 4? I don't remember. No, I think it was 3. So these are the original 3. 1, 2, and 3. And then I got wait a minute, or was the original 00? I can't remember. But anyway, they added 2 more brushes to the series of the Shoto collection. So I'm excited to try. I'm pretty sure the number 4 is one of the new ones. Anyway. And then I got an extra 01. Oh, the 01 is one of my favorite blending brushes. And I got this from my mom. Okay, last box to open. It is my Pros subscription. And for those of you not familiar with Pros, it's a custom hair care company. You go online and you answer a bunch of their questions to figure out what type of hair you have. Is it oily or dry, or how long and how coarse, and all the questions. And is it heat treated? Is it color processed? All those things. And then they formulate a shampoo and conditioner, or any, like the hair care products, just for you. And it's cute because it comes with your name on it. So I have what they call 2C hair, which is deep, wavy, and light loose curls. But I often smooth out my hair and wear it straightened, because I actually only wash my hair about once a week. Maybe the odd time I'd wash it twice a week, but I don't have an oily scalp, so I can get away with it. And on that, I'm on a 12-week cycle with my subscriptions, and I think that's the longest you can go. Like, I searched to see if I can switch it to, like, instead of 3 months, do 4 months, because with me only washing my hair once a week, I kind of have an overstock of the products now. But this is what it looks like. It has my name on it. I really do actually like these products, even though I've been a hairstylist for almost about 20 years, and I've worked with different product lines and different types of hair products. But I do actually quite enjoy this line. And then here's the conditioner. Sorry, this was a shampoo. This is a conditioner. And because they've already come, because this is not my first subscription, they come without the pumps. So it like cuts down on waste and whatnot. So I already have the pumps for this. And then when I'm ready to switch it out, I'll just remove the caps and then put the existing pumps that I have in this set. And then I get the custom hair oil. I think it's like sweet almond. Sweet almond. I like it. It's quite heavy. It's quite thick. So probably better if you have coarse, thick hair, or if your hair needs it. Like if your hair is dry, like mine is, then it's awesome. But if your hair is on the finer side or even slightly oily, I feel like it might be a little bit too heavy. But when you fill out, or when you answer the questions and they determine what hair products you need, they probably wouldn't even offer this to you if you have fine hair or oily hair, blah, blah, blah. So that's it. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you all have a lovely rest of your day.